One morning mi pin kotan lo solora plo wasemol sospen. Mi stap sitan mo prasemol toti sospen mo mi luk wan man ista wopat lo san pichikang. Behemi hem, emi hamtro. Mi no pin look hem after when mi vla pin leave him school. Hariap no mo mi pin look down lo sospen mo stap try plo no look hem. Pi mi harem hemi wopat lo koreli kam close up. Hemi kam straight lo mi. Karam suspen mo hemi start lo prasem suspenia ol sem se hemi wan normal something lo wall. Mi no mo save wanem lo talem. Mi look hem mo hemi smile lo mi. Smile lo mi tu vla hemi kam ol sem all laugh, all talk funny mo harem kut. Mi never feel all sem happy for. Mo time hemi pick him up one flower up lo mi harem kut tu mas time hemi putum flower ya lo hand lo mi. Mi tu vla pin meet lo sun pitch anytime when mi tu vla want them. After someone is pass, mi feel all sem. Mi save hem pitim anyone lo wall. Mo inokat one man we save understand me all sem hem. Mi no save putum tinting blomi lo any something. Mi ting paute me all time. Mi never happy all sem. Mi feel all sem mi light mo pride. Mi no save holem tight feeling ya anymore. So mi talem lol friend blomi se hemi tough mo how mi love him. Mi talem lol kita se hemi wante mi tu vla I live together mo kamol sem one family. All friend lo mi only happy to mas lo mi only ask him full up question about him. Mo want them save how now hemi start. Only se hemi now true love mo harem kut. Mi think se only stop talem true talk ya now. Mi never stop long way lol parents lo mi before. But wow. Life with a mantra me make me happy to mas ipitim all time. Me never think that time me stop lowell parents plumi me fun. Hemi also me to vla join together mo make him every something together. Kukum kakai wasemol toti plate clean him house mo hemi help me plo wasemol toti close to. First time we hemi chalus. Me surprised to mas mo confused lelebet. Me pintata lo one friend plumi we. Mi save hem time mi tu vla all small pikinini. Pe hemi harem no kutumas. Hemi se hemi lave mi tumas mo hemi no want them sipay. Mi ko stop round with them all naraman. Even though hemi ino true, mi think se hemi now laugh. Mi think se hemi prove se hemi really care lo mi. Mi vla no pin kat kakai lo kitchen so mi ask him. Hem lo give him some money plo mi ko karam some kakai. Hemi cross mo hemi sing out lo mi mo talem sipay. Mi no save start plus stop ask money all same yan mo. Hemi se hemi stop trying pace plan plo find one walk. What mi sek to mas mo mi stand up no mo. Mo save one emplo mekiem. After hemi open him to pakeken, mo hemi kam hake mi mo talem sorry. After some day pass, ting lo mi I walk plan de. Mi no save one emplo ting. Mi never think se Andrew pa tok lo mi all same. One money mas karam sa money kam la house. So mi start plo mekem kakai plo salem. Mi proud to mas lo wane we mi pin mekem. Hemi wan kut something time you holem lahan you, something where you pin walk hard from. Pe first reaction plo hemi mi ask him, how now pa mi save stop salem on something mo look out them house lo semak time. Hemi talem se who stop look out them house time you stop sit down with them all friend you lo market. Hemi cross to mas mo start ask me plan the question about them. Time mi tatalo friend lo mi mo mi stop wasemol close. Mi stand up no more time hemi walk out la house. Mi think se pa hemi happy se mi pin karam sa money kam la house. Pe mi pin wrong to mas. Lo night plo hem mi pin ko look some friend. Mi think se pa yoli make mi haram kut. After mi look Andrew walk pati kam with them all friend lehem. Hemi kam straight lo mi mo ask money lo mi. Pe hemi no really ask him. Hemi stop otare mi plo give him money plo mi lo hem. Mi walk hatu mas plo karemania. Hemi plo mi vala. Plo home plo mi tu vala. Hemi no plo pem kava plo friend lehem. Mo antap lehem ya. Hemi talem lo mi se pa mi should stop look out them house. Mo no stop story with them all friend lo mi. Mi pin same to mas from hemi pin talk strong lo for it plo friend lo mi. Pe mi no ka choice mo mas give him one way hemi want them. Mo no talem want something. Even though hemi talem se hemi sorry, all something only no pin kam kut yet. Hemi talem se pa hemi kut plo. Everyone suppose mi stop long way lol friend lo mi. Hemi talem se ol kita pa yoli make him trouble no mo between me to vala. Me no want them disagree with him from. Me feel all same him stop look out them round no. Me fright se by him cross to mas back again. Mr. walk part the market to la house with the money me pin winning. Time me look him come with them on friend blem pack again. Him no want them plum me go stop look all friend blem me pay. From one name me go stop look all friend blem. Time me tell him lo me plum give him money. Me pin cross to mas. Me tell him no or me go inside. Hemi pin cross to mas. Me never look hemi cross to mas all same ya. Time hemi pusu me ko floor. Me look I plo hem mo. Me sek to mas. Me look all same pa hemi save killing me. After lo hemia, me no save wanem blo mekem. Me pin same to mas plo talem lol naraman wanem we I happen. Pen me fry to mas po stap la house. Mono save wanem pa I happen next time suppose. Antru I kam la house mo I cross. Mi sabe se wane we hemi meke me mi no alright. Mi sabe talem se mi sorry pe. Mi sabe se pa hemi no change treatment lo hem lo mi. Mi stop asking me wane mi wrong. Wane now pa mi sabe meke lo kat one no more life. Mi no really sabe yet. Pe mi sabe look two choice now ya. Leave him now ya or leave all same ya forever. Mi pin make him choice plo mi.